in the startup phase, the mentality that you're going to need to have is going to be one that is, first of all, very creative, because you're creating something from nothing. You're not growing a business that already exists. Some people as entrepreneurs buy businesses and then they grow those businesses, but you're starting up something that doesn't exist. So normally the kind of mentality and the kind of person that thrives in this kind of environment is someone who's very creative, who's good at creating something from nothing, okay? That's not always easy to do when you have no experience, which is why a lot of people work with us in our company so we can help in that creative process, right? Whether it's the systems, whether it's the menu, whether it's the branding and all of these things, but it takes someone who is a visionary to start something from nothing. The other thing, if you're going to do it correctly, is you need to have the mentality of someone who is long-term focused, who knows what your end goal is and can create a solid foundation for the future. Because when you're in a startup phase, if you don't have the right vehicle, if you don't create the right kind of business, guess what? You're not going to thrive. You're not going to have the foundation for you to either maintain anything, because you're probably going to fail in the first, few months to a year. And then you can't grow something if it doesn't actually get off the ground. Okay? So that's another thing. And then the team that you're going to need to have is a group of people who are also creative, who are tenacious and work through problems, because businesses, when they're in the startup phase, just like a child is most vulnerable in the beginning, a startup company is most vulnerable in the beginning because you haven't really accomplished and established a business that has product market fit.